Olimac. Drago, the intelligent corn head. Drago is built in the new Olimac plant, a hyper-technological structure occupying over 20,000 square meters with completely automated production systems. Drago is unique in the world with automatic self-adjusting deck plates. An Olimac patent which allows the perfect stripping of the stalk and a complete harvest without any waste. Olimac designs and builds corn heads only. This is a business choice that is unique in the world, which has allowed the development of research and design with continuous technological innovations. Every part of the Drago corn heads is conceived, designed and built inside the plant. All the components required for construction of the corn heads are automatically handled by a computerized management system. The automatic warehouse robot picks up the materials from the shelves and the laser guide vehicles transfer them to the department where they are required. The whole operation takes place without human intervention. The production area is completely automated with turning islands, workstations, laser cutting, and welding robots. Even the gears are produced in complete autonomy with an automated gear cutting machine. Olimac has created a completely automated painting system which is unique in the world in the sector. Painting lasts 3 times longer than the average for the sector. During the final processing phases, Drago is assembled and customized to suit individual customer requirements. Now it's ready to take to the fields. There are corn heads that leave behind lots of ears and grains of corn. With Drago, this doesn't happen. The work is quick and precise. Thanks to the low-profile construction, even down corn is completely harvested. Drago is the only corn head in the world with automatic self-adjusting deck plates. The automatism works independently on each row. The deck plates automatically and simultaneously adapt their opening to the diameter of the stalk they meet. This revolutionary system allows the stalk to be stripped perfectly. There is no need for adjustment by the operator and productivity increases. The stalk rollers are longer and ensure a complete harvest with no waste. With this system, the removal of the ear from the plant is gentler, wastage is completely eliminated, and the harvest is quicker. Drago has a rotating blade stalk shredder which absorbs minimum power. The stalk chopper crushes the corn stalks, and the field is ready for plowing. Drago is foldable. Thanks to its size, reduced to 3 meters, and complete visibility, on-road movements are comfortable and safe. Drago, the intelligent corn head, is universal. Made in versions from 4 to 18 rows, it can be applied to any type and brand of combine harvester and self-propelled shredder. Perfect stripping of the stalk. Complete harvest without wastage. Greater productivity. With these exclusive qualities, unique in the sector, Drago is at work in cornfields all over the world. At Olimac, innovation continues.